Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Dark Tunnel VPN using V2Ray for a secure and reliable connection. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process, from installing the apps and generating a V2Ray configuration to importing it into Dark Tunnel VPN. Let's get started. Overview. Secure your connection with Dark Tunnel VPN and V2Ray. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of configuring Dark Tunnel VPN with V2Ray settings. Using V2Ray with Dark Tunnel provides enhanced security and a more stable connection. We'll cover installing the necessary apps, creating a V2Ray account, generating and verifying an SNI server name indication, importing the configuration into Dark Tunnel VPN, and troubleshooting common issues. Step 1. Install Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Dark Tunnel VPN, SSH and V2Ray supported. Tap Install to download and install the app. Step 2. Launch Dark Tunnel VPN. Once installed, open the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Step 3. Select V2Ray tunnel type. Tap the three lines icon in the app's interface. This opens the menu. Select Tunnel Type from the menu options. Choose V2Ray V2 as your tunnel type. This specifies that you'll be using a V2Ray configuration for your connection. Step 4. Open a browser. Open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. Step 5. Search for V2Ray server provider. Search for First SSH V2Ray. This will help you find a reliable provider for V2Ray configurations. Step 6. Open V2Ray server provider website. Open the first SSH website from the search results. Step 7. Verify human status. Complete the I'm not a robot verification to proceed. Step 8. Choose a server location. Choose a server location from the available options. Select a location close to you for better performance. Step 9. Create V2Ray account. Tap Create V2Ray account. This initiates the process of creating your V2Ray configuration. Step 10. Enter account details. Enter a username of your choice in the username field. This is for your reference. Enter a working SNI server name indication in the SNI field. If you don't have an SNI, we'll generate and verify one in the following steps. Step 11. Enable reverse SNI. Tick the reverse SNI option. This can help improve compatibility and connection stability. Step 12. Verify human status again. Complete the I'm not a robot verification again. Step 13. Create account. Tap Create account. The website will generate your V2Ray configuration details. Step 14. Copy V2Ray configuration. Copy the entire V2Ray configuration that is generated. This configuration contains all the necessary settings for your V2Ray connection. Generate and verify SNI. If you don't have one. Step 15. Open Google Play Store. If you don't already have a working SNI, open the Google Play Store on your device. Step 16. Search SNI generator. Search for SNI generator. Step 17. Open SNI generator app. Open the SNI generator app. Step 18. Select your country. Select the country you are currently located in. It's important to choose the correct country, as SNIs are location-specific. Step 19. Generate SNI. Tap Generate to generate a list of available SNIs for your selected country. Step 20. Copy an SNI. Copy one of the SNIs from the list. Step 21. Open Host Checker website. Open your web browser, e.g. Chrome, and search for Host Checker. This will help you verify the SNI. Step 22. Paste SNI into Host Checker. Paste the SNI you copied into the input field on the Host Checker website. Step 23. Perform SSL check. Tap SSL check. Step 24. Confirm SNI validity. Confirm that the SSL certificate is valid. The website should display a message indicating that the SSL certificate is valid. If it's not valid, try generating and checking another SNI. Import V2Ray configuration to Dark Tunnel VPN. Step 25. Open Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app on your device. Step 26. Access config menu. Tap the three lines icon to open the menu. Select Config from the menu options. Step 27. Import configuration. Tap Import and choose Clipboard. This imports the V2Ray configuration from your clipboard. Step 28. Confirm import. Tap OK to confirm the import from the clipboard. Step 29. Update SNI and configuration if necessary. If the configuration requires an SNI and it's not already present, paste the verified SNI into the necessary fields. Step 30. Connect to VPN. Tap Connect to start the VPN connection. Troubleshooting if connection fails. Step 31. Change SNI if the connection fails. The SNI you're using may be down. Try generating and verifying a new SNI using the steps outlined earlier. Step 32. Create a new V2Ray server. The V2Ray server you're using might be overloaded or unavailable. Create a new V2Ray server on the first SSH website. Step 33. Re-import configuration after changing the SNI or creating a new V2Ray server. Re-import the updated configuration into Dark Tunnel VPN. Step 34. Connect again. Tap Connect again to attempt the VPN connection. And that's it. You've successfully set up Dark Tunnel VPN with V2Ray settings. This setup provides an added layer of security and helps protect your online activities. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.